guys, welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with a wig install. You guys, this time I used Ericka J's Hold Me Down, the watermelon version, and you guys know this is supposed to be like a waterproof glue. For what I normally do, I normally don't even like glue down hair, so I feel like this is definitely beginner friendly. I hope you guys enjoy. I love the way it turned out. I'm actually wearing a Beautyforever wig. So yeah, if you guys are interested in today's review, then keep watching.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch.
So this is what the hairline looks like. To me, it looks good. Normally, I don't even like pluck my hairlines and stuff. Today's dilemma. This is the dilemma, you guys. I don't know if I want to just like cut the lace off first, or do I put on the wig and then cut off the lace? It's been a minute, y'all. So it says, apply a thin layer of glue to skin only. Allow to dry until tacky. Each layer must be clear before applying the next layer. Okay, let's just go. So I'm going to just apply it. And I did get her little brush thing. And mind you guys, I'm not afraid to get this on my hair because I don't have hair. We're gonna just do a thin layer, y'all. I haven't done this in so long. I'm gonna just go for the whole thing because that's what I normally do. I'm gonna do 3 layers. I don't know for what. Oh, it's really nice and tacky, guys. Okay, so while this side dries, let's put down this side. Oh, y'all, I'm scared. Little on the nervous side. I just want to make sure. It's where I want it, like on my face wise. Now, like every YouTuber you see, we're going to just press that into the skin. It does feel like it's tightening, but what I am gonna do, I could not find my elastic band for anything. So I'm gonna just take my husband's do-rag. And making sure you can see what you're doing. Okay? I'm very nervous. So far, kind of good. Okay, so what I noticed is that I didn't do a really good job at putting enough glue down. So I'm gonna go back in with like something to hold down my edges. I'm literally just using a shoestring. So we're gonna just wet the hair real quick and then I'll be right back. I just put some water in the hair. Now I'm gonna just put a bit of mousse. So what I found was that the hair it's got some shedding going on, and for the hair to be like, you know, a loose wave, it's not even like curly, it's like a loose wave. It has no business. Shit. I'm gonna show you guys what the hair looks like in a part to the middle real quick. It's like I said, I wanted to wear it slick back. So this is what it looks like to the middle. Super cute. As you guys can see, but we're gonna do slick back. Overall, I really enjoy this Hold Me Down. I think in the future I would put more glue on. I see why people actually 4 or 5 layers. I can see that. I would definitely say you need an elastic band, because once I kind of just let that do-rag melt in my hair, everything just melted. I didn't really do baby hairs, kind of just wanted to keep it natural, and I have the wig just straight back. I love the fact that even though it's straight back, it's super just flat, super flat and smooth, because typically sometimes with wigs it's really bulky. I want you guys to see where this wig is sitting on me. It is supposed to be 24 inches. So this is how far the wig is coming down. I don't feel like all of the pieces are consistent. So what I mean by that is like the 24 inch, it's only like maybe like 2 tracks that are 24 inches, and then I would say the remainder are like 22. But it's still nice. I got this wig on sale, so I would say if you guys can shop Beautyforever on a sale, then you guys will be happy campers. Love everything about the lace. I definitely will be trying this Holds Me Down watermelon one again in the future. And like I said, I'm going to make sure I can find my elastic band, and I'm going to make sure I put more glue, and definitely more glue down on my forehead, because I had to continuously go back and kind of like touch up spots. But that was my own fault. But I do love this wig. Like, I mean, I love the product. For a long time, I haven't had a wig look like this, because I normally just wear my wigs like glueless, and I'm a fan. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment sections if you guys want to see some more wigs, because I am going to try to learn how to really melt it. Even though I love it, it looks really nice in real life, it looks really good, but I just really want to like get this down pat. So yeah guys, catch you on my next video. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV, I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.